This is our greenhouse remote monitoring system. So these are the setup for the greenhouse management. And here you can see these are the two nodes which are kept inside the greenhouse chamber. And this is our main unit where the actuators are controlled. And this is a serial port which is interface within a PC. And these are the Zigbee nodes. There are two pair of Zigbee nodes connected in a manner, so the wireless communication takes place.
This is the main unit where the actuators are connected. We are having actuator. This is blower for increasing the temperature of the greenhouse chamber. This is motor which is connected to the irrigation unit. So this is exhaust fan which reduces the heat. This is a unit where pick controller is used, and this is two nodes. This is node of zone 1 and zone 2. Each node are independently processed. It has a solar panel and a battery, 12 volt battery, which processes the signal and it gives a power supply to this unit. So it gives power supply for both Zigbee and pick controller. This processes the data and it displays the reading. This is a humidity sensor which is used in this thing. This is temperature sensor LM35, and this is a part where soil moisture is detected. The two conductors are placed in the sand where the voltage are being amplified by this transistor, and it is given to the pick controller. The inbuilt ADC in the pick controller processes the data and digital data, and it displays the value of three readings: temperature, humidity and soil moisture. And this Zigbee unit transmits the data. This is the main control unit where this power supply is given to this unit. This uses bridge rectifier to give a DC voltage of 5 volt, and this transmitter, Zigbee transmitter, this is Zigbee transceiver. This is a driver circuit which three relays are connected for the actuators. This is LCD display where this is a PC unit display where it has a power supply and a Zigbee transceiver. It receives the data and gives to this PC. It is a converter from RS-232 to USB converter, which uses a LabVIEW for displaying the data and manipulating the data. It uses serial communication.
Here we can see the LabVIEW part. This is the serial communication used for the LabVIEW to interfacing the computer with the power supply. And these are the actuators. This is the exhaust fan, and this is the motor which is used to sprinkle over the greenhouse, and this is the blower which is used to increase the heat. And you can see in this.
This is a LabVIEW front panel where this is used to get the zone 1 values and zone 2 values, which are two nodes which are used in the greenhouse, and these values will be displayed in this. Temperature, humidity and moisture value will be displayed for both zone 1 and zone 2, and this is used to stop the system where any fault occurs. And this is with this circuit error, when error between this USB port occurs, it displays a circuit error in this. We need to connect this USB port, so we are connecting in COM26, and this is the current data will be displayed in this part, and this is the set value where the maximum temperature and minimum temperature we can set the values for the different types of crops available in the greenhouse, and humidity values can be set and moisture value can be set. This is the threshold values where it exceeds this value we can activate the actuators, and this is the humidity and moisture thing where the abnormal things it shows. And these are the three actuators. When it's on, it turns green, and this is the graph where real-time values of humidity, temperature and moisture are displayed. As you see the set value, the maximum value is 30 and minimum is 9, where this average values from these nodes are 33.5. So it increases, the temperature is high, so the actuators get on. Temperature of the greenhouse is 33.5. Now the set values are T max is 40 and minimum is 35. Now the temperature exceeds the minimal is 35. So the blower gets on where the greenhouse is heated. As I increase the T minimum value, the heater gets on. is the T minimum value. They want the thing get off. In this greenhouse system, we have two solar panels with each node in the zone, in the greenhouse zone, are operated independently. This is an efficient system with which acquires the easy transmission of data. It is a prototype where we use ZigBee. We can use GSM, and this system can be remotely controlled from anywhere. The field can be monitored from anywhere using web cameras and other things. And this is an efficient system.